Hey, this is Pete Bernard, CEO of the Edge AI Foundation. I just want to talk to you for a few minutes here about Edge AI. You're about to see some really amazing projects from Hackster and the Hackster developer community here. And they've asked me to say a few words about Edge AI. And I assume that since you've tuned into this, you're interested in the topic. It's really become quite a firestorm of ideas and innovation, especially in the past year. We've really found some amazing solutions around bringing the AI workloads to where the data is created. That's really kind of the essence of what Edge AI is. It's AI in the real world. It's AI that's happening in agriculture, in healthcare, in retail, in water systems, around your house, in vehicles, in robotics. It's AI in the real world. It's not AI happening in a nuclear powered multi-tenant data center, although plenty of good workloads that are happening there in training. But really, the inferencing that's happening in the real world is super critical, and that's what Edge AI is all about. In fact, there's many flavors of Edge AI. It's sort of like it's like an ice cream shop with lots of flavors. You've got AIoT, you've got TinyML, you've got physical AI, you got generative AI at the edge as well. You've got neuromorphic computing. So there's lots of different ways that people are innovating to run AI workloads in these resource-constrained environments. And it's really fantastic to partner with Hackster to do this. The Edge AI Foundation, we're a nonprofit. We're made up of 50 plus companies around the world and academia, really trying to advocate and educate on Edge AI, trying to help people understand what it is, and work collaboratively in working groups to accelerate Edge AI. We just had a big Generative Edge AI live stream, a 2-day long kind of marathon live stream on YouTube. We do live streams on YouTube all the time. We have an event coming up in Milan, July 2nd through the 4th, kind of a 3-day Edge AI Jamboree for the European community. That's going to be fantastic, something like 40 sessions and 8 workshops and panels and good coffee and things like that. We had one in Austin, Texas as well. So it's a great community to become a part of. You can come to our Discord server, and all that stuff's available at our website, edgeaifoundation.org. But Edge AI itself is really becoming a thing. Now, you could also talk about Edge AI down to the sensor level and running 10 kilobyte models in sensor networks, and companies doing neuromorphic computing and ultra low power things, and also running it up to on-prem servers that are running AI workloads locally. The thing that the phrase that keeps resonating with me is that sovereignty is currency in the AI market. No matter what country you're in or what kind of business you're in, the ability to have control over your data, control over the data sets, the models that you're using, running it in the hardware that you own, that you have control over, that's really important. And in fact, in some cases, it's critical for success. So we're really excited about how AI is becoming democratized, and really strengthening that sovereignty ability to use AI anywhere that you need to run it, at whatever cost you need to run it. Now, they say the gravitational pull of AI toward the edge means that things are running at lower power for lower cost and greater impact. That's a really important factor when to run your AI workloads. And so I would consider this: when you're thinking about solving problems with AI, think about where the data is being created, and how close to that data can I get with my workloads? Can I run my AI workloads right at the sensor level when I'm collecting data? Can I run it at the camera level, at the gateway level, at the on-prem level first, before I end up shuffling a bunch of data up to the cloud? So that's really what Edge AI is all about. We're going to see some amazing solutions today. I encourage you to go to edgeaifoundation.org or find us on YouTube under Edge AI Foundation. Lean in, join the community, give us your ideas, join the movement, and appreciate your time. Thanks.